and welcome back to Booze Clues. Today we are doing a digraph. This digraph is NG, 2 letters. Remember digraph? Digraph is 2 letters that come together to make one sound. This NG, NG together, makes this sound. The action, I'm gonna have to sit up here, is showing you is like being a strong man. The action is The sound I'm listening for today is, that's right, So we're going to look at some words together, some objects and the words, and we're going to try to find the digraph. Ready to go? Okay, thank you for being such great helpers today. Here we go. Words like lung. Oh, sorry. Words like lung. In my body, everybody has 2 lungs. Okay. A bat has 2 fangs. Fangs. Fang. Okay. This is one of my favorite things to do. Not very good at it, but I like to sing. Sing. This one, if I hurt my arm, if I go to the doctor, he will put a sling on my arm. A sling. I hope you've never hurt yourself. Have you ever hurt yourself and had to wear a sling? Good. I'm glad. I like to go outside and I like to play on my swing. Do you have a swing outside that you like to play on? Swing. Oh, this one's blank. Oh, we don't need that. Here we go. Long. Long. Here we go. There's another wing. Another thing. Wing. A butterfly sometimes, or a bat, or a bird, or an airplane will have a wing. Okay. Another thing. Miss Leona has one of these. I have a ring. Ring. Oh, look at you guys. Scooch these up here a little bit. Here. Sometimes, if I miss my mummy, I like to cling to my mummy so that she doesn't go away. Have you ever cling to your mummy? I do that sometimes to my friend. I cling really tight to them. Okay? Oh! What is this? This is an insect. And this little thing on his bottom of the insect can sting me. Oh, Miss Linda, what is that thing called? It's called a bee. I don't like bees. Bees sting. Not all the time, but sometimes they do. Even mosquitoes sting me. Ugh. And my last one is not the older person, but the younger one. He is young. Can you hear that? Miss Linda, would you take a quick picture of all of my things? Things. Thing. There we go. Remember, our digraph is NG. Our digraph today, remember, is 2 letters coming together to make one sound. Our digraph is NG. I'm going to start up here. And I'm going to, we need a little bit longer here. Long. Here we go. Down. Up. And. Oh, Miss Leona didn't think about this very quick. Here, I'm going to do it up here. G. And a hook. Can you see that? N-G. N-G. G. The sound I'm listening for in my digraph, 2 letters, M, G, together, 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 make a partnership, and they make this sound. The action is like being a strong man. Ready? I am so strong. Not really, just a little bit. Thank you guys for joining me on Booze Clues today to do digraph NG in group number 5. I'll see you back here on Booze Clues. Bye.